Ready? So for chicken korma, simple and quick, we'll use bay leaf, mace, shahi jeera, clove, cardamom, red chili powder, salt, mace powder, cardamom powder. This is around 700 grams chicken. This is 3 medium onions, slit green chilies. This is saffron water and yogurt. That's it. So let's start. We'll add around 150 ml of oil and we'll fry the onions. The onion has to be fried on a very medium heat. So we'll brown the onion, we'll fry them until golden brown, and what we'll do is we'll just put the flame off and we will separate this onions. These are beautifully fried caramelized onion and we'll be using them, we'll grinding them into a fine paste. So we'll use the same oil because it will have nice flavor of caramelized onion into it. We'll add little bit of shahi jeera. We'll add 2-3 mace. We'll add some crushed cardamom. Some clove and 1 bay leaf. We'll allow it to splatter and then we will add all of the chicken. We will sear the chicken to have a little brown color on it and on a medium flame. All the cooking that we'll be doing in the entire dish will be on a very medium flame. We will not hurry cooking. On medium heat, now you can see the chicken is changing its color. There's a nice amber color in the chicken. So what we'll do is this is the right time to add ginger garlic paste. We add ginger garlic paste. At this moment you can add a little bit of salt into it. This will help to deglaze the pan. So all the flavors that are stuck under will come out beautifully. So once this is done, we will add a little bit of degi chili powder. Nice generous amount of green chili, cardamom powder, mace powder, just roll everything together. So this is the time when you taste the sauce a little bit. It needs to have a very strong flavor of mace and cardamom right now, because slowly once we dilute the sauce, it will have a nice balance. So add a little bit more cardamom, little bit more mace powder, and then mix. Now what we'll add is little bit of water, just to deglaze, not too much. It is always advisable to allow the meat to cook in its own juices. Usage of too much water is not something that will make a very nice curry or a korma or any sauce. Look at this. So oil coming out, separating from this sauce. This is the time when we switch off the flame and add around a cup of dahi into it. Whisk curd, and on slow flame we just fold everything together. Once this is done, we'll put the flame on high, give it a fast boil, and once the boil is come, then we'll slow it down and rest it to simmer and allow the chicken to get cooked. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes, not more, and it's almost done. When the chicken is almost like 70% cooked, we'll add that brown onion paste to it. This will add nice sweetness. Also, it will be used as a thickening agent for the sauce. We'll add the mixture of saffron and ghee to it. Beautiful.